Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make ghee from unsalted butter at home. And do stay with me till the end as I'm going to share out a few tips as well. To make ghee, I'm going to use unsalted butter. I always get Members Mark unsalted butter from Sam's Club. You don't need to purchase expensive unsalted butter. I make ghee in bulk, and for that I'm using 4 1-pound packs of unsalted sweet cream butter. Ghee has this amazing nutty and grainy taste, and how can it not be tasty? It's pure fat. I am taking 4 pounds of sweet cream unsalted butter. Put the flame on medium to low to melt, and I'm going to get all of the milk solids out of this unsalted butter to make ghee. Stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pot. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out any new videos I post, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Ghee is super beneficial for health. It also has high smoke point, which makes it easier to cook with than a lot of other oils and melted butter. I personally use ghee in many dishes. For example, in dal fry, which is one of the recipe videos you can watch after this. The link is in the description box down below. I also use ghee when I'm making dal khichdi, another recipe video you can watch on my channel. Most of the Indian sweet dishes uses ghee because it gives an absolutely delicious taste. Ghee is used in many sweet dishes like jalebi, semolina halwa, carrot halwa, which is one of the instant pot recipes you can watch on my channel. Basically, I try to substitute vegetable oil with ghee in many of my recipes, or I try to combine both. I also substitute butter with ghee in sandwiches and popcorns as well. Butter has now come to a boil. The fat and water has separated. You can see the white milk solids floating on top. That is clarified butter. But since I'm making ghee, I'm going to keep cooking this a bit longer till the milk solids settle down and when it starts turning into yellowish or golden brown in color. As soon as you see milk solids turn yellowish color, turn off the flame. Take it off from the stovetop. To give the nutty and grainy texture, just take about a tablespoon of water and sprinkle on ghee. Remember to sprinkle it quickly and move away a little farther since it's gonna splutter. When it settles, use a spatula and strain through a fine mash strainer, not letting the browned milk solids pass in the strained ghee. Ghee is now ready. I always make it in bulk and store in the stainless steel container. If ghee is made properly, then no need to refrigerate. I personally leave it out in cool place all year long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do try to make ghee at home instead of buying it from store. It really tastes different. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and do hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.